Hello everyone, my name is Terry and come from Starboard. And then the topic is indexing Filecoin, unveiling the data insights. Okay, this is my agenda today. So first is the introductions. Second one is Lily, the data collector. And next one is a public data dump. So share the data. And then next one is a Starboard Dashboard, is a data analyst. And the last one is a Spacescope API. Okay, let me introduce myself. We are the Starboard, and Starboard provide the Web3 data with the powerful analysis and incentive design. Okay, Lily is a data collector, and it is an open source indexing and transforming the Filecoin on-chain data for insightful analysts. Okay, and Lily is an enhanced Lotus node. Yeah, we based on Lotus and collect the Filecoins on-chain data. You also can get some internal messages which is not on-chain because Lotus can catch that message and we can record it. And then the next one is that Lily processes the three key types of data. One is the actor data. Second one is the chain data. And last one is FVN data. The actor data is focused on the built-in actor, such as the data cap, the actor, minor actor, power actor, and so on. And then the chain data is the core blockchain data, and which include the block header or the message, something like that. And the last one is FVN data is very useful and is focused on the Filecoin virtual machine and covering the smart contract execution and deployment. Yeah. And the last one, Lily output the real-time data, structured data to the timescale DB or CSV. So it's very flexible for user to store their data. Yeah, and this is QR code for Lily GitHub. Okay, so this is a Lily structure. It's very simple one. It's that we based on the Lotus node, and then it can handle everything by itself, and then output to the timescale DB or CSV. But the Lily have a different mode. Is for the distributions, and in this mode, there are two types of Lily. Okay, one is Lily notifier. It just catch if there are any new block, and we have to. So it will dispatch the task to the Redis, and then there are multiple Lily worker can get the task from the Redis and start to extract, retrieval, and compute the data, and then finally output to the timescale DB or CSV. Okay, and it's very useful when you miss several data, like maybe 1 week, 1 month, so it can backfill the data asynchronously. Yeah. Okay. The next one is a public data dump. So after we collect the data from Lily, so we offer the BigQuery public data set. So you can find the public data set lily-data.lily. Okay, and then so user can get the data in BigQuery directly. So it's very helpful. And those data is ready to use, so you don't have to query the data from blockchain. Oh, okay, so this is a UI for the BigQuery. So before you log in the BigQuery, just have several steps you have to do. Maybe just enable your payment, and I think that's all. And then you can search the public data set like this one. And after you find it, you can use the simple query SQL like select star from the table we want. Yeah, and this is a Lily BigQuery document here, so you can just follow it and then play with it. Yeah. Okay, so so this is data from Lily, but we also have do some more computations on the Lily data. So we build a dashboard for it, and this one is a network overview. So we provide several key metrics like row by data and total FTDLs and protocol revenue, or there's some overview in the FVVN. Yeah. Because FVVN is very important, so we have a dedicated dashboard for it. So you can see that there are some important information for the FVN, something like the total DeFi net deposit or total net borrowings. And you also can check the transactions or which contract have been invoked. Yeah, you also can get the information that how many unique contracts have been deployed. Then you can answer the question in the first day. Okay, so on the FVM, we are focused on the DeFi. And so we collect all DeFi contracts to build this DeFi leaderboard dashboard. Okay, so we also provide some important metrics like the total stakers, total borrowers, and also you have the DeFi net borrower and DeFi net deposit. And you can see, so we also have the leaderboard. We can rank by the balance or the users count. Yeah. And this is our dashboard QR code. So if you are interested, you can scan it. Okay. So last one is that once we build this dashboard by our computing, and then we also share that important data by our Spacescope API. Yeah, and then it is a gateway for users to get the ready-to-use Filecoin data, including the blocks, transactions, smart contracts, interactions, also the network metrics. Okay, so developer or the company can use this API to build their own analysts. And this is a document snapshot for our Spacescope API. Yeah, and it's very easy to use. Last one is the next step for the Lily is a dog fooding. We want to put this valuable data back to the Filecoin network, and user can get those data from the Filecoin directly. And then, yeah, I think it is a positive way to make the economy be better. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Question?
Yeah, it's the first time.
Yeah, we have 2 minutes.
Okay. I'm just curious, for Starboard, is all of the data coming from the Lily the Lily BigQuery dataset, or do you have other data that you're augmenting to the BigQuery dataset?
Yeah, we store our main data in the timescale DB, and then but we also output the raw data, Lily raw data in the BigQuery. So everything you can get from Lily, you can get from the BigQuery. Yeah.
Hi. How far does your history or your archival go back? Does it go back to Genesis or like in Spacescope API or even the BigQuery?
To be honest, after the Lily transitions from protocol lab to Starboard, so the historical data maybe start from the April. Yeah, this year. Yeah. Maybe we need more codes to do it.
Yeah, can we go back further
Yeah,
if we
yeah.
import? Okay.
Yeah, you can use Lily to get the data by yourself. Yeah, but the BigQuery data just supports from the April.
yes, of course.
I'm just wondering about your approach to dealing with the instability at the head of the chain. Do you collect your data after finality, or do you deal with the constant reorganization at the head when you're processing all that data?
We have a confidence setting, so we will wait.
Oh, you wait, and then so you don't have to deal with reverts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we also for the Lee we have some functionality can get the open block, so it will not wait. You will get the block every time, so you will check which block is open block, so we can use this open block to check the network health. Yeah.
And are you prepared to use F3 when it comes online? Sorry. I'm just wondering, are you prepared to use F3 to increase your confidence to be able to follow it head? You know, when it comes online, in theory, you should be able to be collecting and indexing blocks, you know, two blocks from head, and have high confidence.
Sorry, I can pretty understand.
F3, you know, fast finality.
S3.
Yeah, when F3 it gets turned on eventually, fast finality. So maybe you haven't tuned into that. That would be a good discussion to have with you.
Sorry.
Let's keep it for later discussion. Thank you, Terry.
Okay, thank you.